This waterfront home on the shores of Lake Ontario comes with an illuminating possibility: its very own lighthouse. Built in 1895, the Braddock Point Lighthouse in New York is on the market for $996,000. And yes, the lighthouse still works, although its original oil-burning lamp has been replaced with an LED bulb. The lighthouse sits on 5 acres and is connected to a beautiful brick home, which includes 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. It currently operates as a B&B. The owners live in the carriage house, which has 2 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, a kitchen, and a good-sized living space. Back inside the main home, the kitchen has a butler's pantry and all original cabinets. Out back, there's a beautiful outdoor patio with room for dining and a fire pit. The home is fully operational and move-in ready. And with views like these atop the lighthouse, it's only a matter of time before the next owner's ship comes in.